Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about something really important for Amazon sellers, and that is Amazon IP Accelerator program. My name is Tahir Mahmood and I am an Amazon Brands Manager at Upskill Valley, a full service Amazon FBA agency. And in this video, we'll discuss about the Amazon IP Accelerator program and how you can use it to get your brand registered with Amazon. If you are serious about protecting your brand and want faster access to tools like Brand Registry, then this program can really help you. In this video, I'll walk you through what the program is and why it matters, how it works and how much it costs and who should use it. So let's jump right in. The Amazon IP Accelerator program helps sellers, especially small businesses, get legal help to protect their brands on Amazon. It connects you with experienced law firms that Amazon has already approved. So these law firms help you register your trademarks and protect your brand at all preset and affordable prices. So once you start your trademark process with these firms, you also get early access to Amazon's brand registry and even before your trademark is officially approved. Now, why does Amazon care about the trademarks? Because protecting your brand is important not just for you but for Amazon as well. When you register your trademark, you are telling the world that your brand name, logo, and design are only yours, and it gives you the legal right to stop others from copying or misusing your brand. Once your brand is protected, Amazon also gives you access to powerful tools under the brand registry like the A plus content to improve your listings with better images and descriptions, brand analytics to see data about your customers and the keywords, sponsored brands and sponsored display ads to advertise your brands more efficiently, and counterfeit protection to automatically detect and remove fake sellers from your listing. Listing control so you stay in charge of your product pages. With IP Accelerator, once your law firm files the trademark application, it gives you a serial number. So you can use this serial number to apply for the brand registry right away. So that means you can start using tools like A plus content and sponsored ads like display or brand ads much easier and more early. IP Accelerator helps with more than just trademarks. Some law firms also offer services like the copyright registration for your products, photos, packaging, or designs, and the patent filing to protect unique products or inventions, and the brand name research to avoid picking a name that someone else already owns, and IP strategy planning to help your brand stay safe in the longer run, dispute resolution in case another seller tries to use your brand or creates conflict. So it's not just about the trademark, it's about the full protection for your brand. Let's talk about how much it costs. Amazon has already worked with these law firms to set fixed and reasonable rates for these services. Prices may vary depending on which law firm you choose, but most firms are in the program offer trademark application filing, brand name search before the filing process, comprehensive brand checks to make sure your name is available and strong. Because the prices are pre-negotiated, you won't get surprised by the high fees. You'll know what you're paying upfront. So here's how you can start using IP Accelerator. You have to go to the seller central. Let me just quickly jump on my screen to show you. Okay, so here's I am on my seller central homepage. You have to go to the growth and then the explore programs. Once you are on the programs page, you have to scroll down to the IP Accelerator and you have to click on the learn more. Once you click on this, it will take you to this page. So here's you can see a lot of law firms which you can contact, and you can get a code, you can get the details that you want, and you can also drop some queries about your brand. So let's say I'm gonna click on this one, and once I click, you can contact the provider from here. Also you can yes, you can get the quotations by contacting these providers. So let's quickly summarize how the process works. Choose a law firm from the IP Accelerator list. Start your trademark application through that firm. Get a serial number after the filing process. Use that serial number to apply for brand registry within Amazon. And you don't have to wait for the trademark to be fully approved. You can start using brand registry tools right away. Now, who is this program for? This program is great for private label sellers building their own brand on Amazon, and the new sellers who want fast access to the brand registry and branded tools, existing sellers launching new products or expanding into new markets. And if you're serious about growing and protecting your brand on Amazon, this program gives you a head start. So let's go through a few common questions regarding Amazon IP Accelerator program. So do you have to use the IP Accelerator to get your brand registry within Amazon? No, you can register a trademark on your own with your own layer as well. And is this program available worldwide? Yes, it works in many countries, including the US, UK, Canada, India, Turkey, and more. Amazon is expanding it regularly. So, how long does the trademark approval take? Usually 6 to 12 months, but with IP Accelerator, you get brand registry within days of filing using your application serial number within Amazon. To wrap it up, the Amazon IP Accelerator program is not just a legal service, it's a shortcut to growth and protection for your brand. By helping you register your trademark and giving early access to brand registry, Amazon is making it easier for you to build a stronger and trusted brand on Amazon. And if you want to take your Amazon business seriously, this is a smart first step, fast, affordable, and reliable. Well, we have discussed about the Amazon IP Accelerator program and how it can help your trademark filing, and how you can connect your trademark with Amazon Seller Central, and how you can use the Amazon brand registry tools right away. So if you have any kind of questions regarding IP Accelerator or brand registry, you can drop down into the comment section. I'll help you out. Thank you.